Morning, folks. Yet again, I've been kidnapped again. En route to the stables this morning, I got kidnapped with this load of paramedics, nurses, doctors, you name it. And I'll need these shortly because I've got 2 stents in, you never know. But I'm lying there shouting for help, maybe with one of these people to help me. And they're doing a bit of charity work this morning. And I'm going to get one of them here, Michael there, or this gentleman here is going to actually explain what they're trying. They've already raised £2,000. It'll be another £20. I'll need to put something into it. Anyway, you explain. What's your name, buddy?
Kyle.
Kyle's going to explain this, right? What's it all about? Michael's bus.
So the Sensory Bus is charity based. It is a bus donated by Stagecoach, and a second one that's going to be donated to Whiteley's Retreat. It's basically a bus load of sensory equipment that kids can utilise just to make things a bit more easy for them, just to enjoy.
And there's a Just Giving page, isn't there?
There's a Just Giving
right,
page.
so there's a Just Giving page. And all these people, how many is here today? We'll see 100 of them here, but they're no, because I'm not going to take my shoes and socks off the count after 10, as you're well aware. Right, but never mind, here's that one there that she said she follows me. Where is she? Leslie, what's your name, my dear?
Leslie.
Leslie said that she follows my Facebook. I hope that's all she follows, because I'm going to put humour into these, but if I don't do this, who's going to laugh? Well, we're all going to laugh at some time to keep things, everybody happy, but these are going to do a great job. How many miles is it this morning, folks? Altogether, how many miles?
44.
44 miles for these people this morning. Right, the more money raised, the better for Michael's bus. Let's help them hit the target as quickly as possible. And where's that Russell Baxter? Don't you hide, Russell, you're spotted too, by the way. Right, so she's all there, folks, and spread and share the word, and get onto the Just Giving page and get your hands in your pockets. She's all there, folks.